What's up guys, Saksham here back from the bit, and this time it's all about the Apple special event. It ended few hours ago today at Steve Jobs Theater. Here's everything you need to know about the event or what really got announced. So starting off with Tim Cook walks on the stage, and like always, I would just call it the tradition of Apple, we get the intro video that they play. And this time I would say by far this has been the best Apple event video that I've ever seen. If you want to check that out, I will put a link in the description below, or this is just a short teaser as you can see on your screens. So starting off with Apple Arcade. So if you're not sure what Apple Arcade is, it's pretty much like a gaming streaming platform. So instead of paying for every single game you play, you buy this service which goes for $4.99 per month. You get a 1 month free trial and you can pretty much play unlimited as many games as you want. So instead of paying for every single game, you can do this. It goes for phones, Macs and Apple TVs, even iPads. And if you're interested in getting the service, it goes live next week on 19th September. Moving forward, we have Apple TV, specifically Apple TV Plus. It's a subscription service like Netflix, but this one is by Apple. So it goes for $4.99 per month for the whole family. Also, if you do end up buying a new iPhone, iPad or a Mac starting today, so starting 10th September 2019, you get 1 year of this service free automatically with it. Moving on to iPad. So nothing too much or groundbreaking new product is out. So what they've done is taken the 9.7-inch iPad with the big bezels and the home button and given that a bigger screen, 10.2 inches, change the processor, so a much faster processor. But pretty much from the 9.7-inch iPad, this iPad, the 10.2 inch, which will be the 7th gen iPad, is 2 times faster in pretty much all the tasks it does. And lastly, the iPad will retail at $329, and if you're a student, you can also get the iPad for just $299. So next up, we have the Apple Watch. Last year was Series 4, this year is Series 5. Lots of changes, to be honest. So first of all, with Series 5, we get a brand new display. It's a new LTPO display and it's a retina display, and basically it's always going to stay on. So right now what happens is if you're not raising your wrist or if you're not really looking at the watch, not tapping on the face, the screen is off. With this display, the screen is always on. So when you're in those awkward situations when you can't really raise your wrist or tap on the watch face to check something, then you can always still see the time and your watch face. So the display will be dimmed, it won't be at full brightness, and when you do lift up, it brights up. And maintaining a full day battery life, 18 hours of battery life, just like the last series. We have two brand new models. So we actually have two colors in titanium. So if you want a titanium watch, we have two colors in that, or if you want the ceramic one, so if you want that white ceramic, you also have that option to purchase within Series 5. And one of the new safety features that comes into Watch Series 5 is SOS. So SOS is when you're in emergency and you want to contact emergency services but can't. Right now, let's just say if I'm in Canada, if I press and hold the button, it will call SOS, the emergency services, but I need to be connected to a cellular network on my phone, and I need to be in Canada. With this update, you can be pretty much anywhere in the world. So now we get international SOS support, and this is a whole new watch lineup. So we don't have the Series 4 anymore, but we do have Series 3. So it's Series 5, the newest one, and then we have Series 3 is there, but the price is dropped to $199. So if you're planning to get a watch, maybe it's your first watch, you don't want to get Series 5, you still have Series 3, and now it's actually a pretty good price of $199. And lastly, we have the iPhones. We have two iPhones this year, iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. I would say don't consider iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro as a big screen or small screen. However, if you know iPhone XR, I would say if you want to see what's next to iPhone XR, that will go with iPhone 11. And if you say what's next to iPhone XS, I would say that will be the 11 Pro. Both of them are pretty similar, but the specs are really different. So looks wise, it's all the same. However, on the back of the iPhone 11 Pro, you have triple camera, whereas of iPhone 11, you only have two. However, you do have ultra wide and a wide angle camera on both photos and videos. So if you want to record wide angle videos, you can do that from both of the phones at 4K 60 FPS back and front. So even the front camera got upgraded and you can shoot at 4K 60 FPS. Something new to both of the phones, front camera is slow motion selfie. So if you're interested in that, you want to give that a shot, you can record slow motion selfies or pretty much record anything in slow-fies using the front camera instead of switching over for the back. Maybe every other phone company has now. Apple has to bring it, is night mode. So it's automatic or you can have it on manual, but if you're taking a picture at night, it will turn it on. You will see all the missing details, just what a night mode does. So new iPhones means new chips. Both of the iPhones contain a A13 Bionic Apple chip. One cool thing with the iPhone 11 Pro that I've seen of what they have shown is you can use those three cameras or four cameras, so three in the back, one in the front at the same time to record a different video. So with Filmic Pro, I think I've got the app right. Basically, a future update will be coming in few months, and you will, if you're filming something, you can actually have 4 displays like a multicam. So you can have the telephoto lens always there. You can have a wide angle, ultra wide angle, and a selfie cam. So 4 cameras, and while you're filming, you can just keep on switching between back and forth. And the coolest thing is that with the new help of the new chip and how powerful the iPhone 11 Pro is, you can record all 4 streams of video. So 3 cameras front and 1 camera back at the same time, and maybe go and post and you have 4 video clips. So it's really great if you're capturing someone. Let's just say you're doing an interview, you have the phone in the middle, and you just go back and forth. You just tap to switch, and at the same time it's recording both of the cameras. It has a brand new audio. Both of the phones have brand new audio system called
spatial audio.
So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell that goes right on the side of it. Press the like button on the video, because YouTube algorithm really wants you to like and comment. That way it's like basically it's YouTube algorithm, it's not that great. So if you can like the video, that would be great. Leave a comment. What do you think about the iPhone 11? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Or is it just gonna be lots of memes on iPhone 11? So all that kind of stuff is coming in a dedicated video for iPhone 11s, iPads, watchOS. Just stay tuned for those. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.